All right, today we have a quick one for you. We're going to be replacing the wiper blades on a 2014 Toyota Tundra. I made the mistake by going to a local store to buy wiper blades, and I quickly found out that the wiper blades have a special clip. The wiper blades that I bought at the store were not compatible with the wiper assemblies on my truck. So I purchased them online, and I will put a link to the wiper blades that I purchased in the description section of this video. The wiper blades are different lengths for the driver's side versus the passenger side. So make sure when you do order the wiper blades, if your vehicle is different, that you make sure that you get the right wiper blade length for your vehicle. You can go ahead and elevate your wiper blades, and you can see these little release mechanisms here. And you squeeze them and pull. All right, unpackage the wiper blade. Make sure you've got the proper length. Take the protective sleeve off of the blade and insert it doing this one hand is pretty tricky, but look at that, you can do it one-handed. Same process for the passenger side. So just in case you need it, they do package instructions with these wiper blades and with the necessary warnings to remove the slider, don't stick your fingers in the way of the moving windshield wipers, you know, all the stuff they have to put on there. And then they give you an installation guide, which is pretty cool. But I must say, you saw me replace these wipers with a single hand, and any other vehicle you cannot do it with one hand. I'm not saying it's difficult, but you really need two hands to do it. But in this case, you only need one hand to replace these wiper blades, so that's pretty cool. The only bad part about it is I had to order them online because I immediately did not find any store that stocked these. So hopefully this video helps you. And if you like to watch my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up for me. Thank you.